To create enchanted armor in Minecraft on the PS5, you need to gather the necessary materials and follow a few simple steps. First, open your crafting table and craft the type of armor you want to enchant, such as a diamond chestplate or iron helmet. Next, find an enchanting table, which can be crafted using 4 obsidian blocks, 2 diamonds, and 1 book. Place the enchanting table on the ground and interact with it to open the enchanting menu. In the enchanting menu, you will see a list of available enchantments and their corresponding levels. The level of enchantment you can apply depends on the experience level of your character and the number of bookshelves surrounding the enchanting table. To enchant your armor, place the armor in the item slot and select the enchantment you want to apply. The cost of the enchantment will be displayed in experience points, and you can choose to apply the enchantment if you have enough experience points. Some of the most useful enchantments for armor include Protection, which reduces damage taken, and Blast Protection, which reduces damage taken from explosions. You can also apply enchantments such as Fire Protection and Projectile Protection to your armor for extra safety. Remember to always keep your enchanting table surrounded by bookshelves to increase the level of enchantments you can apply. With a maximum of 15 bookshelves, you can enchant your armor with the highest level enchantments available. By following these steps and using the right materials, you can create enchanted armor in Minecraft on the PS5 and improve your chances of survival in the game.